We are here inside the van of the police. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
Look at this guy.
Look at his face. Look at his face. They put guns inside here. No one can breathe. We're inside the van here. This guy is going spray, man.
My friend, there's someone is dying here.
They don't care. Someone is dying here inside. There is gas. Everywhere there's gas. We can't breathe.
Come this side, come.
See this guy. See this one. See this one. See this guy. See this one. See this one.
I want to say this is not law. What I know in life, this is not law. Why they killing the foreigner? 2008, there was doing xenophobia. They was killing people. I never seen the court. One of South Africa guy passing court because he killed foreigner. We never saw it. What about they want to do now? Kid of 1 week. What they done here? I never saw it. South Africa, they don't like foreigner at all. 1 month baby inside, they are shooting. Look, that moment's naked. Look, that moment's naked. This is not law.
Where's the humanity in South Africa? Where's the humanity in South Africa?
This is not law. Yeah.
We want to ask humanity to come and see what is happening here. They're killing children, they're killing women.
Look,
women are naked.
They want to drop water.
Amanzi. Yeah. Oh,